Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to rename a Google Sheets file. Right, so it's really easy to rename a Google Sheets spreadsheet file. So in this case, as you can see, the file name of this Google Sheets is Project Management Sheet. So let's say you want to rename this Google Sheets spreadsheet. All we have to do is either click on File and selecting Rename here, and then we can rename the file. Or the second option is just go to the file name, and as you can see right away, when you hover over the name of the file, this rename label is displayed. So all we have to do is basically click into the file name, and then we can add anything we want to the file name. So notice I can rename a Google Sheets spreadsheet file. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.